Here's the walkthrough of the invoice manager. To create a new invoice, just click on the button under the quick action section. There's an automation that will auto-populate the invoice number. And then you just need to open the properties. Set the due date. For example, it's 7 days. So we have invoice date today, and then plus 7 days, it's April 30th. You can select a client, for example, Seve Steel, and add an amount, let's say 700. You can copy the details below, for example, the invoice number to here, invoice date here, due date here, and then the company details. Then the bill to details. Add description and amount, and then total it here. Let's say this is 700. This is 200 and then 200. You can also add your payment links here. After updating the invoice, you can export this through the 3 dots above and then click on export. These are the settings. Just click on the export button. Click save. I'll show that PDF version at the end of the video. You can move the invoice status below in this board view from draft to sent to follow up. And then once it is paid, it will be added to the chart. So 300 plus 700, 1,000. You can also see the total amount revenue. You can also see the total revenue per client. So let's say there's another 400 paid by Seve Steel. This now sums up to 1,100. When you open up the client page, it also shows the specific invoice per person or per client. Everything is in paid for this client. Here's the PDF version of the exported invoice earlier.